Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will answer an important question for Python developers. Will AI replace Python developers? The honest answer is no, not completely. AI is a powerful tool, but it is not a full replacement for Python developers. AI can speed up Python work, but developers still guide the solution. And that difference is very important. Python is used in many areas today: web development, data analysis, automation, scripting, backend APIs, machine learning, AI projects, testing, DevOps scripts, and more. Because Python is simple and popular, AI tools are very good at generating Python code. But generating code is only one part of real software development. Let's first understand what AI can help Python developers with. AI can generate boilerplate code. For example, it can quickly create a Python function, a fast API endpoint, a Flask route, a data cleaning script, or a basic automation script. AI can also suggest error fixes. If you get a Python exception or stack trace, AI can explain what the error means and suggest possible solutions. AI can help write test cases. It can generate unit test, sample inputs, mock data, and edge cases. AI can explain code in simple words. This is very useful when you are working on an existing Python project or learning a new library. AI can also help with refactoring. It can suggest cleaner functions, better names, reusable code, and improved readability. AI can help with documentation and debugging ideas as well. So yes, AI saves time. It helps Python developers research faster, code faster, test faster, and learn faster. But here is the important truth. AI helps with speed, but developers provide judgment. Python developers still understand requirements. AI cannot know the full business requirement unless someone explains it clearly. In real projects, requirements are often incomplete, confusing, or changing. A developer must ask questions, clarify the requirement, and decide what should actually be built. Python developers still understand business logic. For example, pricing rules, report calculations, data validation rules, automation conditions, user permissions, or machine learning goals. AI can generate code, but the developer must verify whether that code matches the real business need. Python developers still design architecture. They decide how the application should be structured. They decide how APIs should work, how data should flow, how services should communicate, and how the system should scale. AI can suggest an approach, but the final design requires experience and context. Python developers still handle security. They must protect user data, validate inputs, handle authentication, avoid unsafe code, and review dependencies. AI-generated code may look correct, but it can still create security risk. Python developers still care about performance. A script may work on a small file, but will it work on 1 million records? Will it use too much memory? Will the API be slow under heavy traffic? Will the data pipeline fail in production? These decisions still need human judgment. Python developers also work with databases and APIs. AI can draft SQL queries, ORM models, API requests, and integration examples. But developers still design the database schema, verify data quality, handle transactions, secure APIs, and test final integration. Python developers also handle deployment and production. AI can suggest Docker steps, cloud deployment ideas, monitoring setup, or automation scripts. But developers still decide release strategy, reliability, scaling, rollback plans, and incident handling. When something breaks in production, AI does not take responsibility. the developer and the team do. Now let's look at a few real-world examples. Example 1. Web API development. Suppose you are building an API using Fast API or Flask. AI can help generate CRUD endpoints, request and response models, and unit tests. But the developer still must understand business rules, handle security and authentication, and review the API design. Example 2. Data analysis. AI can help write pandas code, clean data, create charts, and generate insights. But the developer or analyst must verify data quality, choose the right analysis, and explain the business meaning of the results. Because a chart is not useful if the interpretation is wrong. Example 3. Automation scripts. AI can generate scripts for file processing, report generation, data movement, or repetitive tasks. But the developer must test edge cases, handle real input and output, monitor failures, and make sure the automation is safe. Example 4. Machine learning prototype. AI can create starter code, explain algorithms, and generate experiment ideas. But the developer or data scientist must select the right features, evaluate results, avoid bias, and deploy responsibly. So the pattern is very clear. AI accelerates the work, but humans ensure quality. AI gives suggestions, but developers make decisions. AI can produce code quickly, but developers check whether the solution is correct, secure, scalable, and maintainable. Now let's talk about the future. The future is not Python developer versus AI. The future is Python developer plus AI. A Python developer who ignores AI may become slower, but a Python developer who learns AI tools can become faster, smarter, and more valuable. However, using AI does not mean blindly copying and pasting code. That is risky. AI-generated code can have bugs, it can miss edge cases, it can make wrong assumptions, it can generate insecure code, and sometimes it can give an answer that looks confident but is not correct. So the best approach is simple. Use AI as an assistant. Ask better prompts. Review the output, test the code, improve the solution, and keep building strong fundamentals. Python skills still matter. Problem solving still matters. Architecture and system design still matter. Domain knowledge still matters. And learning AI tools is no longer optional. So the final answer is this. AI will not replace Python developers completely, but Python developers using AI will have a big advantage over developers who ignore AI. That is the real future of Python development in the AI era.